Now, here's your Storm Tracker weather forecast with Chief Forecaster Bob McGuire.
Oh, yeah, that's right. And good evening, everyone. We're going to start off tonight with, I think, just a really cool-looking picture. This comes to us from Greg Wise. His first time he's been to Yellowstone Park this year at Soda Butte. I think we're in the Lamar Valley out there, and just a beautiful day out there. Look at that partly cloudy skies. Not a bad-looking shot. Meanwhile, here's the way it looked tonight over by Miles City, just south of Miles City. Becky Chesum got this picture of the sun setting just behind their property. Cool-looking red sky out there. Red sky at night, sailor's delight. Meanwhile, here's what's happening here in the Billings area. This is what it looked like just as the sun was ducking underneath the cloud deck. It just kind of painted the entire city of downtown Billings with kind of a yellowish hue. And it looked very cute, I think you'll see. 47 degrees right now. We have mostly cloudy skies at the moment, and we have an east wind at about, well, it's calm at the moment, so that's what's happening. And as you'll see here, our reported high today, 56 degrees. Your normal high, 65. The record, 88 back in 1992. The record low is 29 back in 2010. And as far as precipitation, nothing new to add to the totals today, so we're still kind of low for the month at 0.03. This is the second wettest month of the year historically for us, so we'll see if we can catch up. We'll probably get some more rain later on this month. But in the meantime, here's where we are for the year. We're still ahead of normal at 533. Only need to be just a little over 4 inches. And right now, our current temperatures are into the 40s and 50s out in the west, 40s and 50s across the High Line. In central Montana, around the Billings area, mostly into the 40s. Same thing at northern Wyoming. But take a look at our reported highs today. A lot of 50s in the east. The hot stuff was out in the west. 69 degrees over at Kalispell and Missoula, very close to 70s. 65 over at Helena. You see 61 over Great Falls today. So really not a bad day. Bozeman at 62 degrees. Meanwhile, you'll notice we have basically two batches of rain. One storm, this one here, all part of a larger system towards the Central Plains, and we're the extreme northern edge of that storm. And here's another batch of moisture just dropping down from Canada. It's the next storm. Instead of coming into the Billings area, this thing is just nosediving right for Idaho, so I think it's going to miss us. It'll continue to just zoom right on past us. So we'll pull back and show you the big storm. Big low pressure cell in the Four Corner states. It's been sending copious amounts of moisture into Texas, Oklahoma, and the panhandles into Kansas. 4 tornadoes reported there today. Tulia, Texas, had one on the ground there as well. And you'll continue to see this stuff continue to push its way in towards the Midwest. And for us, jet stream shows another batch of moisture coming out of Alberta, but here again it's just going to zoom right on down in towards western Montana. There's a cold front associated with it. That'll continue to drop a little bit farther south tomorrow. By tomorrow night, that cold front pushes down towards southern Montana, and it'll bring more scattered snow showers by the time 6 p.m. gets here. And so here's your scattered rain showers to the Billings area, snow up in the higher elevations. Then that slides out of the way. High pressure moves in on Thursday. Warmer temperatures moving in behind that. Snow stays down in Wyoming, and so we'll see maybe about 1/10 of an inch of precipitation for the Billings area, Miles City about 200s, about 1/2 an inch over in Bozeman for one of the big winners, 6/10 over at Worland, and about 1/3 of an inch over in Sheridan. But for Billings and the rest of Montana tonight, temps into the 30s and 40s out west. Back here in the east again, generally into the 30s and 40s. Billings about 38, 42 at Hardin, 38 at Miles City. But for tomorrow, we're back into the 50s, 42 at Red Lodge. We're probably going to see some scattered rain showers moving in the afternoon and also that evening. Farther out in the west into the 50s and 60s there. But for Billings tonight, here's what we'll see. 38 degrees, slight chance for some rain showers overnight, about a 20%er. Then for the next 7 days, 50s on Wednesday and Thursday. Good chance for some scattered rain showers tomorrow afternoon. We're drying out on Thursday and Friday. 71 on Saturday, 79 Sunday, 76 Monday, all mostly sunny skies. 75 on Tuesday with a slight chance of rain then too. Let's go back to the desk.